Hi guys, this is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to My Kanaal. So vandaag ga ik met jullie koken. So today we're going to cook. I'm going to make dinner. So I want to show you guys what I'm making. I like to cook at home. I like to cook all the time because I like food, so I like to cook. So I want to show you guys today what I'm going to cook. Today I'm going to cook this. Yes, this is what I'm going to make today. So I'm going to show you everything I'm going to use. So I'm having like a chicken here. This is chicken, no bones, and this is garlic. I have garlic. This is onions, and here I have like pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and this is some onions also. I love onions, so I have a lot of onions. And this is I got this one from the store, and I got this sauce. Ik heb deze kruiden. I don't know the name. I throw away the papier. I throw away the papers. I don't know if I can find it. I already cut it into pieces and throw it away. But that is what I'm going to use. Excuse the kids because everybody's home. It's time for dinner. It's almost dinner time, so I really have to go to cook. And then what I also have is chicken breast. I like to mix it with the chicken because I just like it. Like chicken breast and chicken, I like to mix everything together. I still have my tomato. I haven't cut it yet. And I have my pan standing here. This one is full of water to boil the noodles, and this one is what I'm going to use to cook my food. So, and I need onion, I have oil, some seasoning. I'm going to season the chicken. This is what I'm going to do, and some salt. So now that I've shown you everything, so this is everything. This is what I'm cooking. This is what my kitchen. This is my kitchen. This is how everything is standing here. So if you like to cook with me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So now let's jump into cooking. Let me just put my camera and bring you guys along. Let's cook. So now what I'm going to do is time to season the chicken. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I don't measure things. You guys know this is home food. It's not, but it's very, very delicious. I'm going to take my seasoning. This is the seasoning I use. I got this from the store, the food store, the Arabic shop is where I got this. Put a little bit. I like to put everything, not too much, like that. And then I'm going to put this seasoning. I'm going to put this everything in. This is what I do. You just put everything and just throw it away. I'm going to wash my hand because I've washed my hand all day. I like to use my hand to like really go in. So we're going to get everything in, massage everything in. So guys, it's time to go have dinner. I hope you guys enjoy cooking with me. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, press on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out any video I post. So my dinner is ready. I'm about to eat. Have a nice day. Bye bye.